and your hosts, Christine and Ari.
We have a question from our viewers.
Let's see what they have to say.
Hi guys, I was just wondering if you could explain to me what mitosis is.
Mitosis is a division of the nucleus in cell division.
While prokaryotes use binary fission, we're going to talk about what eukaryotes, like your cells, use. Interphase is the longest phase in cell division and is normally divided into 3 parts.
These parts are G1, S, and G2. But sometimes they go into G0, where they stop growing at all.
G1 is cell growth.
The S phase is when your DNA
Is copied.
G2 is more growth and more preparation for cell division.
Excuse me.
Looks like we have a question from the audience.
Let's see who it is.
I was just wondering, when does mitosis come in? I mean, seriously, I want to learn about that.
That's your question. Mitosis starts now!
Now!
It's kind of awkward this way.
That doesn't.
We're all close up.
Yeah,
fine.
it doesn't matter.
The 4 stages of mitosis are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
In prophase, the DNA shortens and coils, as you can see over here.
Each of these are chromatids. They come together and connect at the centromere to become an X-shaped chromosome. Also in prophase, the nuclear membrane disappears.
2 pairs of dark spots, called centrosomes, appear next to the disappearing nucleus. As the centrosomes separate, spindle fibers made of microtubules radiate from the centrosomes in preparation for metaphase.
In metaphase, the 46 chromosomes line up in the middle, and the spindle fibers hold them in place.
In anaphase, the spindle fibers pull the chromatids of the chromosomes apart and bring them to opposite sockets of the cell.
During telophase, the spindle fibers disassemble, and the chromosomes loosen up and join together on opposite sides of the cell.
A nuclear envelope forms around each group.
That's it for mitosis, but now the cell has to go through cytokinesis to form 2 new cells.
We invited our friend, Joey Ghibli, to teach us about cytokinesis.
Well, so far we went through mitosis, and we have 2 separate nuclei inside the cell. Now, these nuclei have to become 2 new cells. As you can see here, there are 2 nuclei. As they push apart, cleavage furrows appear on both sides of the cell. In a plant cell, a cell plate appears, and that is what completes the cell wall. In an animal cell, both sides pinch together and constrict, eventually forming 2 separate cells. The organelles that were in the original cell are divided up equally between both cells. Wow, that was so fun. Well, now we're going to talk about checkpoints. Checkpoints occur in between each step of mitosis and interphase. This is how cell division is controlled. As you can see here, there are traffic signs symbolizing each checkpoint. At the end of almost every slice, there is a checkpoint. These checkpoints are proteins that make sure that each step has been completed before the next one occurs. Cancer is when one of these checkpoints, or multiple of them, are stopped and they don't work. This means that there will be a rapid cell growth, and this will end up building tumors. Tumors can become lodged inside vital organs and also interfere with bodily function. This is what ultimately leads to death.
First, I'm Joey.
Thank you.
I hope I see you again.
Sure.
Well, we've covered a lot of material today.
But it's time to go.
Aww. See you next time on
Mitosis Central!
Okay, let's just wait it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah! Mitosis! Here.
It's annoying.
Let's just eat. Let's just, we can eat around it.
Fine.
Wow. Who knew that nuclei were so delicious?